Alright guys, we're at Mineola again. The Oyster Bay train's coming right now. It's coming right now. It's going to Oyster Bay. There's another train there too. There's two trains. Got two trains. One right here and one right there. And there was one stopped over there. But I couldn't record it. I was at the parking garage when it came. It's coming right now. Here it comes. Man, this one might block that one. Record this one. Wow. That might be the cannonball train. That one looks a lot like the cannonball train without the stickers. Alright, I'm gonna record this one. This one's coming. Wait. Let's get this one. No, that one didn't. There goes the other one. Here's the Oyster Bay train. There goes that one. She's just like the cannonball. The cannonball's not gonna come. I already missed it. But this is just like it. It doesn't have stickers. This game purport, yeah. There goes the diesel. 516's on that train. Just powered up, going that way. Two Deadhead. That's a Deadhead. That was like a Deadhead train. And we got the Oyster Bay train over here. None of those trains honk the horn. I wanted that train to honk the horn. I wanted that one right there. 508 to honk the horn. This one's leaving. Caught this at Kings Park, but I didn't record it that great. Alright. There goes the diesel. It's a bit faulty. Oh, there's another train. And there's exactly another train. I don't know what train that is. Wonder what that one is. Oh wow, look at that. There's a new nice bus. That's a battery electric nice bus. Look at that nice bus. It's a little bit different. It's going to Jamaica. It's a battery electric one. Wow, battery electric train. There it goes. Over here. I can see the other train. There goes the battery electric bus. There it goes. That's the Huntington train. Alright, there it is. Here comes the express train. Here comes the express on 7. This is express. There's another bus right over there. There's the train going that way. Alright, got two trains coming. There's one leaving right here and there's one coming right there. Might be a Deadhead. I'm gonna record this one leaving though. And I can get a horn show. There it goes. Alright, this one's not. It's going that way. It's going to Penn Station. There it goes. Just left the station. don't know which one's coming next. It should be coming soon. It'll be arriving soon. Alright, I could see that other train. Oh, right. It seems to be a local train. Alright, I'm not gonna record. It's a local train. Alright, I'm recording this train. It looks to be it's an express. There's an express coming. It's coming right now. Let's come right here. Oh, looks like a New York Atlantic. That looks like a New York Atlantic. Oh, it's on my track. It's coming on my track. Oh, I see lights of a train over there. Lots of planes coming. Wait. Please don't say it's stopping here. Please don't say it's stopping here. Oh, it's the other side. Yes. This one's it's not stopping here. Alright. Wow. Might be New York Atlantic. Wait, that's New York. Well, might be a Deadhead. Oh, that's a Deadhead. It's a Deadhead. I'm running this train. Deadhead. 415. Yes, that was the Deadhead. It just went that way. It went right for the station. It didn't give me a horn show. That went very fast. It's going like Jamaica. There's another train coming. Oh, New York Atlantic. There's a New York Atlantic coming. That's New York Atlantic. There's only one light. Might be a diesel. New York Atlantic. Alright, it's New York Atlantic. It's finally there's a New York Atlantic train down there. So there's the other train. That's a New York Atlantic down. There's a New York Atlantic down there. It's going this way. Alright, I'm gonna get a horn show of this train. New York Atlantic. New York Atlantic, yes. It is. I can't believe. Oh, never mind. Alright, it's New York Atlantic. Here it is. I'm gonna get a horn show of this. These are the grain cars. Here's the back of the train. There it goes. There's the local train. It's going that way. That's stopping here. I just caught that one. It was New York Atlanta train. Probably going to Farmingdale. Or going like to Farmingdale. Oh, no, there was no horn show. That one. New Light Park there was horn show. Horn show. He's all coming. It's a diesel. Oh, it's a diesel train. Here it comes. It's Express. 403. 518. Oh, it's going to Patchogue. Big Montauk's going now. Going to Montauk. Just went by. Alright, there's a C3 coming here. It's going to Jamaica. It's stopping here right now. It's coming right now. It's going to Jamaica. It's coming from Oyster Bay. It's a C3 from Oyster Bay. It's a C3 train. It's coming right now. It's coming right now. Jamaica it's going now. This is a normal stopping Oyster Bay train. Since Oyster Bay stops here, since it splits off over here. There it is. It's coming right now. No, stopping train. Stopping over here. Harwood Crane. There's another one. Oh wait, there's a local train. Or there might be a local train. Right over there. Oh, there's a train behind it. There's one behind it. Look at that. Might have a good chance to catch Express. One's right behind it, and one's over here. I don't think this one's Express. I think it stops at Mineola. I think that one's probably gonna be Express. Alright, this one's leaving now. I should get the horn. So. I just come right now. Train to Jamaica. Going nice and slow. This one's going nice and slow. It's not going fast like the other trains were. Alright, let's get this one. Well, it's free cars. This is a free car train. There it goes. 5004. There it goes. Yep, the other one's a local train. 419. It's going over there. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna record that one. I hope that one's an express train. Here comes an M9. Here comes an M9. That's stopping here. That's the local M9. Alright, this one's stopping at the station. This one's stopping at the station. to stop me here. It'll be cool if the Cannonball train came here instead of Babylon Branch. It'll be cool if it went right back to Penn Station quickly at night. And it took these tracks. Yeah, I hope. I didn't get to see it go in the Montauk. So I'll record the train down there when it gets closer. Alright guys, there's another train coming. There's a train coming right now. It's coming on this platform. It's coming right now. I think that's a Deadhead. I think this is a Deadhead. I'm probably gonna try and get this one this time. The last Deadhead didn't blow the horn. It's coming right now. Alright, I think this is a Deadhead train. It's probably going from Port Jeff to Jamaica. It's coming right now. It'll be great if the Cannonball Deadhead came. I don't know why I haven't came. Or it's coming right now. It's coming right now. Here it comes. Oh, it's coming. Wow. It's gonna be on this track. Yep, that's what Deadhead looks like. On New York Atlantic. Because, yep, there's no announcement. Or it's coming right now. It's coming right now. Here it comes. This is Express. Oh, that's New York Atlantic. Oh, I think that's New York Atlantic. It's on that side. It's New York Atlantic. It's another New York Atlantic, it looks like. It's going very slow. I mean, yep, that does not look like a Deadhead. Thought it would be a Deadhead that was going to pass on this track. This still looks like a Deadhead C3. Here it comes. The diesel train. New York Atlantic. Oh, it's a Deadhead. Wait, that's a Deadhead. It's a Deadhead. I might. Alright. Oh, wait a minute. That's not a Deadhead. Oh my god, that's a New York Atlantic. Alright, I gotta get this one. There we go. New York Atlantic. Another New York Atlantic. Lots of people have gotten this one. New York Atlantic. There it goes. Alright, that's the New York Atlantic. We got 2 New York Atlantic trains so far. I don't know if there'll be a third one. Alright, there's a plane up there. There's a plane up there. That was the second New York Atlantic. I thought that was gonna be like a Deadhead. It's going express. At least it didn't get blocked. The last time I saw one of those trains I knew I'd park, it got blocked. There it goes. Alright, here comes the express train. Here comes the random train that just appeared. Oh, that might be stopping. There's announcements seem to be off. The announcement lady must have went home. Oh wait, that's express. That's express. There's a train coming from over there. That's express. Where am I? Stopping here. There's another train. not up there. There's Delta plane probably up there. I just saw on the radar going to Milan from Atlanta. Alright, it's not up there. Or there's another train coming right now. I'm gonna get a video of. Alright, there's a Deadhead coming. There's a Deadhead coming right now. It's right behind that train. That's a Deadhead. It's express. This one's on the horn. Yeah. So that one responded. Alright, there's express now. But I don't think that's near Atlanta. Oh my god, that is a Deadhead. There's like 2 trains coming. Wow. There's express. Man, I wish this train was going to like Long Island City. I mean, Long Island City trains don't run. I usually don't catch those trains. Like a Deadhead going to Long Island City would be cool. Instead of Jamaica. Or whatever. Alright, this train's coming right now. Wow, it's express. Wow, it's not. Might be a cannonball. Wait, that might be the cannonball. Might be going to Penn Station. Might be going back to Penn Station. It would be cool if we saw if the cannonball came that had going to Penn Station. I mean, so we can do another run to Montauk on Sunday. Wait. Oh my god. I think this is the cannonball. Might be the cannonball. Oh my god. There's 2 engines. Oh, I'm getting this train. 517. Alright, that one didn't blow one. Whatever. That was like nearly a cannonball. Might be going to Jamaica or something. Wow, that just went by. It's a Deadhead. Here comes the local train. Hey, here comes another express. I think that's an M9 express. Man, just wish the cannonball came and it went back to New York Penn at this time of night. Here it comes an M3 Deadhead. Oh wait, M9 I meant. Right. Here comes an M9 Deadhead. It's a Deadhead M9 train. It's coming right after that Deadhead came. Right, that's M9. Here it comes. No passengers. There it goes. There's a large spot. 2 express trains. Alright, let's continue now. There could be an Oyster Bay train soon. An Oyster Bay train will probably come. That counts as a stopping diesel. Like it's probably going to Oyster Bay. Probably coming soon. About now. Train. Here comes train. Oh, the diesel. Oh, that's Port Jefferson train. I think that's going to Port Jefferson. 4:13, going to Port Jefferson. Yep, that was the Jamaica to Port Jefferson train. It's going to Port Jefferson. It's going right over there. That was the train to Port Jefferson. Just went by. Then that platform. I mean, it's so great that I got this platform. I'm gonna try to see that one train that's coming off the Port Jefferson branch. Hopefully it passes soon. Alright, here comes the express train. Here comes the express train. It's coming right over here. It says Deadhead. It says Penn Station on that. Penn Station. Bro, it's in Penn Station. Man, this one's going to Penn Station. Man, why isn't there any Grand Central trains? There should be like trains going to Grand Central. Penn Station is like the only one showing up. Also, the train will be coming soon. Like, be real. Change more trains and then go soon. And there ain't gonna be a filmer in the next video. Here's this train. Leaving it going at 80 miles per hour. There it goes. It's fun. There we go. Yeah, nice seeing those trains. Alright, here comes the last train I'm catching. Here comes the last train I'm catching. This is the last one I'm catching. Here it comes now. It's a local train. It's just the last one I'm catching for the night. There's a plane over there. There's one stopping over here. There's trains. Yeah. All these trains are going to Penn Station. And then the Grand Central. This is the last train it caught. Our train's like going right out. So yeah, though. There it goes, going that way. I just hope one of those deadheads I caught was going along unseen. Most people are jumping There it goes. Just caught the train. Well, that was it. See you on the next video.